Today, I'm going to ask you a question. Do you really need a life coach? Can reading books, going through a podcast or YouTube videos change your life? Or do you need someone who can guide you through the process of changing your life, bringing transformation in you? Hi, I'm Rashmi Bhairanje. I'm an emotional and transformation coach, helping you all today to understand why do you need a coach and how it can help you to transform your life. Many people ask, Rashmi, do I really need a coach? Can't I just watch YouTube videos and get motivated and work on my goals? Do I really need a coach? So, my answer is it's okay not to have a coach, but just by looking at the cooking videos, can you become a chef? Just by looking at the swimming videos, can you learn how to dive into the ocean? Today, we have enough information in the internet. You can learn and upgrade your skills from YouTube, Google, anywhere if you want. But are you becoming that specialized person when it comes to implementation? No, right? Because today information is not lacking, implementation is lacking. This happens is because people don't have the right accountability support in their house. So, in order to have the right person in your life to guide you through what is right and wrong, what feels aligned to you rather than taking simple advices from the outside world, it's now today's world is more of looking at the authenticity of a person, building that integrity in a person, and living the life as per values. So, if you're someone who is truly looking forward to know more about coaching, stick to this video and I'll help you through the journey of understanding coaching and why it is so important in today's date. Before going ahead, I'm going to explain to you all why coaching is so important in today's date. So, for that, I'm going to share with you 3 principles of life coaching journey. Number 1 is information creates awareness, but coaching creates transformation. Today, we live in an information world. There is no lack of information today. We have enough knowledge. We can learn from books, we can learn from podcasts, we can learn from YouTube, Google, and many more. Information has never been the problem. Then why are people struggling in their life? Why they feel stuck in their life? Why even after having lots of awareness and information and education, people are not financially free? Why do you think people are carrying a lot of self-doubts? Why are they still unhappy in life? Because knowing isn't the same as doing. Many people know that they have to wake up early, eat healthy food, exercise, they have to start a business, they have to have multiple sources of income, everything they know, but they don't do it. Why? That is because information will just change your mind, but coaching will change your behaviors, and the behaviors is going to change your life. Principle number 2 is you cannot read the label when you're inside a bottle. This is my favorite analogy. Think that you're inside a bottle. Can you read the label which is written outside the bottle? No, right? Because we need someone else who is staying outside the bottle to read what is inside or what is written. So, what am I saying is we all have blind spots, and someone outside in the external world can guide us to see what is within. For example, we have some blind spots or blind thoughts about ourselves that I'm not good enough, I'm a failure, my relationships always fail, I can't earn so much of income. These could be our beliefs that we have been carrying from a very long time in our life through our experiences, through our conditioning, or maybe through our own fears. But someone outside who is a coach can help us realize that these are our limiting beliefs, these are hampering us to move forward in our life. When you have a coach in your life, the coach will help you to understand what are our blind spots, what are our fears, what are the things that are limiting us. Sometimes one powerful question from a coach can change the trajectory of our life. Principle number 3 is transformation occurs faster when you have an accountability system. Let me ask you this question. Why do athletes have coaches? Why do CEOs have coaches? Why did we have teachers during our schooling? This is because the coaches, the trainers, the teachers know better than us, or they may be 10 steps ahead of us. Because somewhere deep down, all these people know that growth happens faster when they have someone who can guide them, walk beside them, and give them a direction where to move ahead in their life. A coach will never walk a journey for you. Instead, the coach will walk a journey with you. Coach will always check on your progress. They believe in yourself even when the world doesn't believe in you. And the coach is someone who will make you believe that you have the immense number of potential within you, which can be used outside in the world for your own growth and success. Now let's understand the 6 benefits of having a coach in your life. Number 1, coaching gives you clarity. Many of us are stuck in our life because we do not have clarity. We lack clarity in life, but a coach is someone who can give you that direction. So it's very important that you need to hire a coach. Number 2 is coaching builds the confidence. Confidence cannot be developed just by reading books. It can be developed by only taking actions. A coach will help you to take the actions that are required, or you may have been procrastinating from years. Number 3, coaching helps you to overcome your fears and the beliefs, the negative beliefs that you carry within themselves. We may be carrying a lot of stories that we have been telling ourselves from years and years, and because of which we are not able to make a progress in life. But a coach will make you realize what is that which is stopping you, what is the stories that you have been holding on to yourself from years, and helps you to break from those stories and start your journey with a new story, an empowering one, a positive one, and a growth-oriented one. Coaching helps you to discover your own purpose. Many of us are just surviving the life. We are just getting up in the morning, going to office, earning that income which comes in the next 30 days. But most of them are unfulfilled in their life is because they are not believing in their own strengths and potential, which can help them to generate an income of their own. Hiring a coach will help you to realize your own potentials, the strengths that you have been carrying, the talents that resides within you. When you understand your strengths, your potentials, your skills, you will be able to discover your purpose in life. Number 5, coaching saves a lot of years of your struggles. When you hire a coach, the coach will help you not to make any mistakes while going in the path of your journey, or the coach will help you to heal from the emotional wounds that you have been carrying from the past, which is not allowing you to break free and move forward in your life. Number 6, coaching will help you to become a new person. The goal here in the coaching journey is just not to make a big income or become successful, but become a better version of yourself, which can create something of their own, from their own authenticity. Because coaching will help you to change your current identity. It will help you to create an identity which is a most evolved version of yourself. Let's understand today whether do I need a coach or not. So how do you know if you need a life coach? Number 1 is you know what to do, but you're unable to do it. Maybe because of procrastination, or maybe because of some external responsibilities. Number 2, You have read so many books, but still you feel stuck in your life. Number 3 is you're constantly doubting yourself. Number 4 is you want to start a new career or maybe a new business, but you don't know where to start. Number 5th point is you know that deep down you have a lot of potential, but you don't know what that potential is. If you feel that you have nodded to few of the questions here, you don't need more information, you need a coach. Next steps is I want you to take few actions. First of all, understand what area of life is stuck. Where in your life are you struggling? So identify, because awareness is a first step towards growth. Now to take actions. Now let's understand, first one is where in your life you feel stuck. What areas are you struggling with? Is it health, relationship, career, personal life, or it may be money? So identify those areas where you feel that you're stuck and you need to hire a coach. The second step that you can do is you can join my free webinar, the link of which is provided below, where I'll help you to understand your strengths, your potentials, your skills, and your purpose. And the third, if you really want to fast track your journey, you can join a clarity call with me and start your coaching journey from now on. Click on the link below to join to my one-to-one clarity call, where you will understand what is stuck within you and how can you fast track your journey from there. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share it to someone who is in need of a life coach. See you all in the next video.